Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Stella's Original Wall. If you're coming for the first time, thumbs up to you. You're welcome. And if you're my old buddies, you know how I feel about you as well. Welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like my videos, comment, share, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload any new videos. I hope you all are staying safe and keeping well. We thank God for that. Today I want to share with you all how I created a 3-tier and a 2-tier tray. Trays for your knickknacks, decoration, whether jewelries, whether anything you want to do with. You know how you have perfumes, you do not know how to organize them, where to keep them. You could use those tier trays to organize your jewelries, your perfumes, soaps, anything. So please, without wasting your time, enjoy. So I got these containers, this plastic container or bowl, serving bowl, whatever you may call it, from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna paint it black and convert it into something else. This as well, the empty cans, tins, containers, I'm gonna just paint them, turn them into something else. Also, the plates, plastic plates from Dollar Tree, the glass cup from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna work with them, paint them, change the look so they become something else. I'll start with this plastic container or bowl or plate or whatever it is called. Tray, whatever you want to call it, call it. I'm going to change the color using the chalk paint, acrylic chalk paint. I'm going to paint it black. I'm not supposed to paint the back, but if I don't paint it, it might be obvious that the color is blue. It might show, seep through. So I don't want to leave any areas uncovered. So I'm done painting the trays black and the cans black. I'm just letting it dry. I'm just being patient while it dries. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm gonna remember the plastic white bowls. I'm just gonna go around it with the charcoal paint around the edges like this. So I'm done painting and they all dry. The cans, the bowls. Now I'm gonna outline the plates with twine, with nautical ropes actually. I'm just gonna use the nautical rope and go around this bowl like that. I'm gonna glue it all around the bowl. I'm gonna put it together using E6000 glue and glue gun. Glue gun is gonna give it an immediate hold, and then E6000 is gonna give it a long time hold. It's gonna bond it forever, and it's gonna take like 24 hours to cure. So you have to be patient. Let it sit for 24 hours. I'm gonna do the same for this. E6000 around it to give it an everlasting bond. And then you glue it on top, and then you're done. You have yourself a 4-tier tray. How easy is it? You could put your keys in there, jewelries, makeup, whatever you want to save in there, you could put it. Now, we're going to go on to the next one. So the cup is dry right now. Remember, we painted it. Now, we're going to glue it onto the tray with E6000 glue for a long-lasting bond, so that you can use it anyhow you like and it's not going to fall apart on you. And then glue gun for instant hold. And then on top of it, you apply your E6000, because we're going to apply the other tray. We're going to sit the other tray on this cup. Like that. And it's done. Just leave it alone, set it aside to dry for 24 hours so you can get that lasting bond. And that's it, it's done. Use it for your jewelries, your keys, your makeup, anything you like. Put it anywhere you like. It's so easy. This DIY is done. Sorry, I have to clear my throat. This DIY is done. So easy. So I have this ceramic plastic tray. I've had it for a while, but now I want to repurpose it. I want to DIY it. And this one is a see-through plastic tray. I just want to repurpose and use it for something else. First of all, I'm going to wipe it clean. Okay. Now, it's time to paint it with our Waverly chalk paint in plastic. We're going to give it a makeover. Or maybe I should take it outside and spray paint it white. I'm going to take it outside and spray paint white. This is a nice plate that I've had for a long time in my cabinet, but I don't use. So today I'm going to repurpose it. This one is a serving tray I've had for a while too, and I never use. I decided today I want to repurpose it. I want to use it for something else here. I want to convert it into something else that I like. So let us go and repurpose it. So I took the trays outside and spray painted them. One was rose gold and the other one was silver. While they are drying up, this is an empty container, empty candle jars. I'm just going to cover them up with this spray painted straws. These are straws that I spray painted gold. So I'm going to cover up these jars with the straws in gold. Using my glue gun, of course, I'm going to cover the jars in straw. Like that, I'm gonna go around them, covered in this. You won't even tell that this is an empty jar of candle. So this is what it look like now. This is the finished product of the candle holder. Remember the candle glass jar? Now covered in gold painted straws. So it's done being covered. Now I'm gonna trim it to size. So I'm gonna trim it. Trim off the excess straws. And I'm gonna save them. Nothing is thrown away. I'm gonna save them for another DIY. A lot of stuff I could create with this. They are trimmed to size. It's time to assemble the plates, the trays. Remember these trays, before I spray painted them silver. I wanted to do white and chalk paint, but I changed my mind. So I used the Rust-Oleum 2S Ultra Cover Metallic Silver to spray it. I had my son take it outside and spray it for me. So it turned out very good. I actually love it. So now I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna put this glass jar on the base, glue it together with E6000 for a permanent bond. And for an immediate bond, I'm gonna use the hot glue for an immediate bond. But the E6000 is for a long-lasting permanent bond. So throw it anyway, handle it anyhow you like, and it's not gonna fall apart on you. It's gonna stay the same. It's gonna stand straight and firm. Hence I'm using E6000, and for an immediate hold I'm using the hot glue. Centralize it, put it in the middle. Try to get it in the middle. Sometimes it's very tricky. And it stays in the middle. Get your second bowl, attach it to the top. Now I'm gonna apply this E6000 glue at the base and tip edges of this glass vase, candle holder, if you want to put it that way. So you see, beautiful tier tray, 2-tier tray. You could put whatever here, jewelries, knickknacks, anything. This could hold anything. And remember, this one was the plate I spray painted in Rust-Oleum metallic finish, gold. So that is the end result. Now I'm gonna attach here. I'm gonna attach it onto here using the E6000 as well for a strong hold and bond. You centralize it and apply it. And allow it to dry for 24 hours, and then there you go. You have yourself a nice tray. If you want, you can leave it like that. If you want to go ahead to glam it up, you could glam it up. So I found these nice roses from Dollar Tree. Get it at any art supply store. You can even create it yourself. I'm gonna do a tutorial showing you how to make these roses yourself, because I know how to put it together. So you see the rose? You could attach anywhere you like. Finished. Easy. So we've come to the end of this DIY. Did you guys like it? I loved it. Whether it's creating anything, tearing things apart, putting things together, I just love everything. Recreation, creativity, I just love it. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's so easy. Just put things together. You could hold your decorations, you could hold your jewelries, whatever you like. Please share my video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Remain uncommonly blessed. Bye.